Hi there. Today I'm going to talk to you about home comforts. When you live away from your home country, in my case Scotland, there are going to be a couple of things that you're going to miss. But for me, one of the big ones that gets hit is my belly. Okay? Fair enough, we have delicate Scottish cuisine with secret ingredients that no one knows. But one that I like to introduce you is possibly one in the top 5 of my top 10 Scottish foods, and that is the Scotch egg. It's extremely easy to make, uses very little ingredients, simply just pork, eggs, flour, egg wash, and breadcrumbs, and you just deep fry it into one of these bad boys. So let's get started.
So, peel those hard-boiled eggs and scramble 2 eggs for an egg wash. Dip in some flour, breadcrumbs, and I like to have some garlic seasoning and also a little bit of steak seasoning, and just to give the meat a little bit of kick, some English mustard. That should keep you up at night. Now, in with the hands, get in there and mix that up nice and good. I find using my hands keeps the mixture the most consistent rather than any other utensil. So, of course, washing hands is absolutely necessary. Please note I did actually wash my hands before getting down and dirty with the minced pork. So, important, put the pork into the fridge. The one thing you don't want to do is use warm pork. It is very difficult to manage. Now you're going to require a full bottle of granola oil. Get that bad boy in there, don't be shy, turn on the heat, make sure you don't overheat the oil. So, get your pork back out and nice and chilly willy, and what we're looking to do is make about slightly larger than a golf ball size, maybe pool ball size of pork. I like to do 4 at a time for my workstation, and then get that meat back in the fridge. See you later, pal. So, put in your hand and nice flatten it. Give a wee shake, should be about the size of your hand, and roll that egg in. Just use it like you're making a snowball to throw at some of the kids at school, and then you just want to start dunking it into the workstation in order. So, first, into the flour we go, roll it around, be generous. You can use and add more flour later if you begin to run out, and then give her a wee dip into the egg wash. Again, make sure you cover all of that ball. And finally, another generous whipping of breadcrumbs. Now you can do this process twice with the egg wash and breadcrumbs for an extra coat. Testing the oil, drop a couple of breadcrumbs, they should go brown, not black, that's meaning too hot. And then nicely, gently, using a safety device, such as a ladle, drop your Scotch eggs into the oil. A good Scotch egg at the right temperature should only take about 2 to 3 minutes to cook. And of course, if you have children, please keep them away during this part of the process. You can't enjoy your Scotch eggs when you've got to take your wee boy to the A&E. During this process as well, the rule of turn, 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 dimmy burn applies.
One of the wee tricky points is actually that getting the exact ideal temperature of the oil so that the Scotch eggs can cook at the right temperature without taking too long, and more importantly, burning too quickly. So, from my experience, it's always the first 1 or 2 ditties that you'll end up eating yourself, and the rest of the more aesthetically golden brown, authentic Scotch eggs your pals will get.
So be prepared to eat the shite ones and let your friends enjoy the goodies. Maximum in an oil bath, I would say, is about 5 for a standardised wok, and it gives them enough space to constantly turn.
So there you have it. It's actually quite easy to make.
Thank you for watching my video, and if there are any other home foods that you would like to learn how to make or like to see me try to make, please let me know and I'll be happy to take you up on the challenge. Have a good day.